Dear children, welcome to chapter Quadrilaterals session 2. In this video, we shall see the properties of a parallelogram and also try to solve the exercise problems given in exercise 7.1. Now we shall see some properties of a parallelogram. A diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles. Yesterday you have studied this by proving the theorem, right? I will show you again. See, in a parallelogram, a diagonal, see this is a parallelogram, a diagonal of the parallelogram bisects or divides it into two congruent triangles. See here, ABCD is a parallelogram, BD is a diagonal. This diagonal bisects the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. What are they? Triangle ABD and triangle BCD, right? Similarly, opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to what? CD. Write down. Triangle in parallelogram ABCD triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BCD and also opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to CD and also AD is equal to what? BC, right? Now let us move to one more property. If each pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is equal, then it is a parallelogram. This is what? It is the converse of previous statement. If each pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal, each pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral, let it be a quadrilateral ABCD. Here what is given? Opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal, then it is a parallelogram. That indicates what? If AB is equal to CD and also BC is equal to AD, then it implies what? Then ABCD is what? Is a quadrilateral parallelogram. Is a parallelogram. Right? Next, let us see one more property of parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Right? This is one parallelogram. Take it as A, B, C, D or PQRS. PQRS is a parallelogram. Here, opposite angles are always equal. That means what? In parallelogram, I will write in this way, parallelogram ABCD, opposite angles are equal. Angle P is equal to, can you tell me? Yes, angle R, and angle Q is equal to angle S. This is also the property of parallelogram. Next, let us see one more property. If in a quadrilateral each pair of opposite angles is equal, then it is a parallelogram. Again, this is the converse of a previous statement. That statement is what? If each pair of opposite angles are equal, then it is a parallelogram. Previously we saw if in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. This is the converse. So take down. This is one what? Not parallelogram. This is a quadrilateral only. ABCD is a quadrilateral. If angle A is equal to angle C and also angle B is equal to angle D. That means what? Opposite angles are equal. Then it indicates what? Then it implies ABCD is what? Is a parallelogram. It is a parallelogram, right? Next, let us see. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. If in a parallelogram, how are the diagonals? Diagonals of a, see here, diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Let it be O here in parallelogram ABCD. Which are the two diagonals? AC and BD are the two diagonals. And they divides equally or bisects. They bisects. That indicates what? AO is equal to OC, and can you tell me AO is equal to OC and also OB is equal to OD. OB is equal to OD. Right? Now let us solve exercise 7.1, problem number 1. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:5:9:13. Find all the angles of the quadrilateral. Say this is given a quadrilateral whose angles are given in the ratio 3:5:9:13. So we have to take the angles in this form: 3x, 5x, 9x and 13x. So we know in any quadrilateral sum of the four angles is equal to 360 degree. So substitute the values of each angle. Angle A is what? 3. Ratio 3 means 3x plus angle B is equal to 5x plus C is equal to angle C is 9x plus angle D is equal to 13x is equal to 360 degree. Now sum of these angles is equal to 30x is equal to 360 degree. Therefore what is x? X is equal to 360 degree divided by 30 is equal to 3 ones are 3 3, 3 2s are 6. So x is equal to 12 degree. Therefore x is equal to 12 degree. Now substitute the value of x in each angles: 3x, 5x, 9x as well as 13x. Then you will get, therefore write down here, 3x is equal to what? 5x is equal to, then 9x is equal to, again 13x is equal to, 3x means what? 3 into x. Value of x is known, already found now. So it is equal to 3 into 12 is equal to 12 3s are 36 degree. Again 5 into x value is 12 degree. So 12 5s are 60 degree. 9 into value of x is 12 degree. So it is equal to 108 degree. And 13x is equal to 13 into 12. It's equal to 156 degree. Therefore write down in sentence: angles of the quadrilateral are 36 degree, 60 degree, 108 degree and 156 degree. Verify the answer. How? If you add all the four angles, then you will get 360 degree, right? Then let us see another problem. Question number 2. If the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. We know property of rectangle. What is rectangle? It's a quadrilateral with each angles measures 90 degree and opposite angles are equal, opposite sides are equal and also parallel. So it's given a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. We don't know this is a rectangle, whether it is a rectangle or not. Take ABCD is a parallelogram. Now, if the diagonals of the parallelogram are equal, so it is given that two diagonals are equal. What are the two diagonals? AC and BD. See, these are the two diagonals. Write down. Given. What is given? ABCD is a parallelogram with what is given? AC is equal to BD. This is given. Two diagonals are equal. Then what we have to prove? To prove, show that it is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. So ABCD is a rectangle. How can we prove? We have to say that angle A and angle B are 90 degree. Angle A is equal to 90 degree and angle B is equal to 90 degree. Then we can easily say, if angle A is equal to 90 degree, then what's about angle C? It's also 90 degree because opposite angles are equal in parallelogram. Similarly, if angle B is equal to 90 degree, then angle D also measures 90 degree because opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Then we can say it is a rectangle. So we have to say angle A and angle B are equal and it is equal to 90 degree, right? So we have to choose two triangles, and by the help of any congruency rule, we have to prove that two triangles are congruent. Which two triangles we can take now? Yes, triangle ABD and triangle ABC, right? Write down. In this is proof. In triangle ABC and triangle ABD, what are known factors? See here, I choose triangle ABC and triangle ABD. Here AC is equal to what? BD. Why they are equal? Because it is given diagonals are equal. Write down. So AC of triangle ABC is equal to BD of triangle ABD. Reason is what? This is given. It is given. Then what do you know? Yes, since ABCD is a parallelogram, we know that AB is equal to CD. Do you agree? Why? In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Therefore, these two sides are equal. Therefore, we can write AB is equal to what? AB is equal to, and it is also common to both the triangles, right? In triangle ABC, AB is common. Similarly, in triangle ABD, AB is common. So, AB is equal to AB. Reason what? It is common side, and can you say BC is equal to AD? Why? Again, opposite sides of the parallelogram, so they are equal. Therefore, we can write BC is equal to AD. Reason is what? Opposite sides of parallelogram. Opposite sides of parallelogram. I will write parallelogram in this way. This is parallelogram. Yes. Therefore, three sides of the triangle is correspondingly equal to three sides of the another triangle, right? Three sides of the one triangle is correspondingly equal to three sides of another triangle. Therefore, how are they? They are congruent. Therefore, triangle, write down triangle ACB, triangle ACB is congruent to triangle CAD. Reason? Yes, congruency rule. Now, once if you are able to say the two triangles are congruent, then we can say their corresponding parts are also equal. Now, can you say, therefore, angle B, or I can write in this way, angle ABC, this angle is equal to angle CAD? Yes, correct. So, therefore, write down, therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle BAD. Reason? Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. But we know that here, see, if AC is the transversal, imagine AC is the transversal, we know AD and BC are parallel, right? Or AB is the transversal, imagine AD and BC are parallel, and it is given because it is a parallelogram, therefore they are parallel. Imagine AB is the transversal, then what's about these two angles? These two angles, yes, the sum of these two angles, the sum of angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Write down angle CBA plus angle DAB. Angle, therefore, angle CBA plus angle BAD is equal to 180 degree. Reason is what? Already told, because AB, if AB is the transversal, AD parallel to BC, sum of interior angles on the same side of the transversal are equal. Write down, therefore sum of interior angles, reason, sum of interior angles on the same side of of the transversal, same side of the transversal. So they are equal, same side of the transversal. So these two angles measures 180 degree, right? Now the two angles are equal and some are equal to 180 degree. That indicates what? If you need, take this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. From 1 and 2, from equation number 1 and equation number 2, we will get what? These two angles are equal. Angle ABC is equal to angle BAD, that's equal to 90 degree. That's equal to 90 degree, right? Yes. Now if it is these two angles are 90 degree, then we can easily say opposite angles are also equal. Therefore what is about angle C? That indicates angle BCD. Angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. Similarly angle ADC also 90 degree, because opposite angles also equal. Therefore in parallelogram ABCD, all angles are equal and measures 90 degree. Therefore ABCD is a rectangle. Read on. Therefore ABCD is a rectangle. Yes. Now let us take question number 3. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus, right? So we have to take one quadrilateral. It is not a rhombus, it is only a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral and their diagonals bisect perpendicularly, or they bisect at right angles. So draw two diagonals AC and BD. Each angle measures what? 90 degree here. Take this as O. So each diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Therefore this is given AO is equal to what? OC. Similarly OB is equal to OD. This is given. Therefore ABCD is a rhombus. We have to prove this. So what are given? Take down. Given ABCD is a quadrilateral and angle AOB is equal to what? It is given. It is perpendicularly bisects, or it bisects each other at right angles. Therefore this angle is equal to 90 degree. Then what we have to prove? Take down. To prove. And also remember here it bisects. Therefore AO is equal to what? OC. Again OB is equal to OD. Now we have to prove ABCD is a rhombus. Is a rhombus. What is the property of rhombus? All sides are equal. All sides are equal and diagonals bisect each other at right angle. See here, one condition is given. Diagonals are bisect each other at 90 degree. So it is given. Then what we have to prove? Each sides of the rhombus are equal. Therefore we have to prove AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to BC. It's equal to CD and it's equal to AD. So we have to prove this AB is equal to BC. That's enough. Adjacent sides. If the adjacent sides are equal, then definitely the remaining two sides also equal. Therefore it is a rhombus. Right? Take down. Proof. In triangle we have to choose two triangles. What we have to do? Choose triangle AOB and triangle BOC. Select these two triangles, right? Triangle AOB and triangle, I will mark here, this is triangle BOC. In triangle AOB and triangle BOC, what do you know? Yes, AO, it is known, AO is equal to what? And BO is equal to what? Again angle AOB is equal to what? Angle AOB. Can you try to write the corresponding parts of the triangle BOC? Yes, AO is equal to what? AO, it is already noted here, given. So AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to what? BO is equal to BO. Why? It is common side to both the triangles, or we can write in this way also. This reason is what? It is given. Second one is reason is what? Common side. And angle AOB is equal to what? Angle, right? COB. Reason? It is equal to 90 degree and it is given. Therefore, see here, side, this is one side, this is angle and this is side, or two sides and included angle of a triangle is correspondingly equal to two sides and one included angle of another triangle, then these two triangles are congruent, right? Therefore which two triangles are congruent? Triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB. Reason is what? SAS, congruency rule. Now if you are able to say these two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts also equal. Therefore AB is equal to what? Can you tell me? AB of this triangle is equal to what? Yes, easily we can say, because AB is the side opposite to 90 degree angle, right? Similarly, you have to see the side opposite to 90 degree. So it is equal to BC. Therefore, AB is equal to what? BC. Write down. AB is equal to BC. Reason is what? Corresponding parts of congruent triangle, right? But AB is equal to BC indicates what? It is a quadrilateral. If two diagonals bisect perpendicularly and the sides corresponding or alternate sides or adjacent sides are equal, then it indicates what? It is a rhombus. Good. Therefore, write down. Therefore, ABCD, shall I write here? Therefore, ABCD. Therefore, ABCD is a rhombus. Hence we proved. Did you get this?